When you hear a chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. Also, lexicographers' inability to decipher the ambiguous nature of language.
Because it says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. That's not a virtue. That's not a virtue. That's just...
Because a premise is ambiguous. And a proposition is ambiguous.
It's empathy a lot of times too, right?
Yeah, empathy. Empathy, of course. And empathy is one of those things I spend...
What I pulled... Oh, let me hear that.
You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity.
Logical, subliminal information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Let me hear that.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Let's rejection, 1949. And then I like to go cocaine on his back.
Is that just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I dropped you a deep back.
It's chilly.
Chili. Dog. I call him chili dog.